Behind the line. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
And we've got 3 blue robots moving on the blue line side, all in autonomous. Let's see what we can deliver. Looks like we've got 1 gear delivered by Quicksilver. Over on the Red Alliance, we've got some robots pulling ahead. 5940 Bread, they've pulled up. Looks like they're ready to line up. They've got 1 gear, and they're looking to deliver that first gear to the Red Alliance airship. Red Alliance has 1. Both alliances each have 1 rotor on the move. And 1 more gear. 2 more gears delivered on the Red Alliance airship. Looks like they're giving that a spin, and that's a 2nd rotor on the move. On the Red Alliance airship, here comes the blue. 2 more gears delivered on that Blue Alliance airship. They're giving it a spin, and there's 1 more rotor on the Blue Alliance airship on the move. That puts them very close, neck and neck at 90, 115. It can be anyone's match. 5940, they're crossing over the field. Looks like they're trying to place a mid and potentially block that blue robot from getting back across to the blue airship. It's some defensive strategies over here, but we've got 2 blue robots loaded up with gears, moving over towards their blue airship with just under a minute and a half to play. 766. MA Bears, they're lining up to that Red Alliance airship, Davitt, and that pilot's pulling up, and that's 1 more gear delivered to the red airship as some fuel spills onto the field. Looks like 6472. H-Tech looking to gather some of those fuel cells and get them over to their boilers. In the final 1 minute remaining, they've got another fuel dump onto the field. That's another gear delivered to the Red Alliance side. Looks like we've got 2 rotors spinning on each Alliance's airship. We've got gears flying now onto the Blue Alliance airship. That's another gear train completed. Giving that a spin. Looks like we have 1 more rotor moving on the Blue Alliance airship and 1 more on the red. That's 3 rotors each. As a reminder, having 4 rotors spinning at the end of the match earns you an additional ranking point to bump you up in those final rankings of these qualification matches. So each of these teams now working to complete their final and longest gear chain. They need more gears delivered. They want to get those final 4 rotors. But now it's the final 30 seconds of the match. 22 seconds left. These robots trying to climb and board their airships. We've got 812. They're climbing aboard the airship, and they're ready to fly. 6662 is ready to fly. Over on the Blue Alliance, we got another Blue Alliance robot ready to fly. They have to keep that light lit in order to count as ready to fly with 5 seconds remaining. 5940, they're ready to fly. 6472 trying to get up in the 1 final second. Time expires. Looks like we've got 2 robots triggering those lights. We need to get... Let's see who crosses the finish line. Looks like they may have crossed at exactly the same moment, and they did. It's a tie with 2:55, 2:55.